Good morning to all. In last class we discussed haloalkanes introduction and classification and nomenclature. So now we discuss about the preparation methods of haloalkanes. So in this preparation method, firstly we discuss how to prepare alkyl halide or haloalkane from alcohol. So from alcohol, in this category, the first procedure is Groves process. Groves process. So first we discuss about the total reaction. In this Groves process, we are used alcohol molecule, that means R bond OH plus concentrated HCl in the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2. Anhydrous ZnCl2. Finally, we can get R bond Cl plus H2. This is the final reaction of Groves process. Groves process. So in this case, now we discuss about the mechanism of this reaction. Mechanism of this reaction. Actually, according to both point of view, they are not asked mechanism. Just for understanding purpose only, we discuss this mechanism. So here, first, anhydrous ZnCl2 is a catalyst, and also it is act as a Lewis acid. That means, so ZnCl2, anhydrous ZnCl2, it is act as a Lewis acid. Lewis acid means electron deficient compounds are called Lewis acids. What is the meaning of Lewis acid? Electron deficient compounds are called Lewis acid. So ZnCl2, Zn, here bond Cl, here bond Cl is there. Here one bond pair of electron, here also bond pair of electron. Total, how many bond pair of electrons are there? Total 4 bond pair of electrons. So according to octet rule, any one of the compound having 8 electrons, that is the stable. But ZnCl2, zinc is the central atom. That central atom having 4 bond pair of electrons. That's why ZnCl2 is unstable. Unstable. That means if you get the stability, immediately that ZnCl2 gain extra 4 electrons. That's why presently ZnCl2 is a electron deficient compound. Electron deficient compound. So next, in that test tubes, first we can take one test tube. In that test tube, we are added alcohol and concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2. So in this case, firstly anhydrous ZnCl2 interact with HCl. So this is the HCl. This is the ZnCl2. Chlorine having lone pair of electrons. Zinc, ZnCl2, it is an electron deficient compound. That's why chlorine having rich electron density. Rich electron density, that's why zinc attract the one bond pair of electrons. Then what to do? So what happened? So here chlorine donate one lone pair of electron. Then chlorine, then this bond will be broken. Then we can get H plus. Then we can get plus ZnCl3 minus. Simply H plus Cl minus. This Cl minus is attached to ZnCl2. We can get the ZnCl3 minus. So next, this H plus interact with alcohol. Because in alcohol, oxygen having lone pair of electrons. That's why He plus is attached to alcohol. Then we can get R bond O plus H. So here oxygen having bond of positive charge. That's why this bond pair of electrons attracted to oxygen, we can get R plus H2O. R plus H2O. So this is the R plus. This R plus react with ZnCl3 minus. In this case, Cl minus is attached to R bond Cl plus ZnCl2. So finally we can get R bond Cl. Alkyl chlorides are formed. So this is the main product, alkyl chloride. So alkyl chloride plus ZnCl2. Here that reaction is started with ZnCl2. So finally ZnCl2 is eliminated as a byproduct. So that's why anhydrous ZnCl2, it is act as a catalyst also. Catalyst. So here one important point, according to board syllabus, for one more question, very important, Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent. One more question. So Lucas reagent means concentrated HCl plus anhydrous ZnCl2 mixture, it is taken as Lucas reagent. This is the Lucas reagent. So once again, concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2 mixture, it is taken as Lucas reagent. For one more question, very important. So number of times asked in annual paper. Okay, next here one more other important point here. In this Gruss process, what are the reactants? Alcohol. Alcohol is react with concentrated HCl in the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 to form alkyl chlorides. Alkyl chlorides. So in this case, what type of alcohols are more reactive towards Gruss process? So alcohols are three types generally. So primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol generally. So reactivity of alcohol. So in the case of this reactivity of alcohol, so tertiary alcohol is more reactive, tertiary alcohol. Next secondary alcohol. Next primary alcohol. Reason, if you want to get R bond Cl, so must and should R bond OH bond should be broken. Whenever here OH, R bond O bond should be broken. Here HCl bond should be broken. So Cl is attached to R, then only we can get R bond Cl. So in the case of tertiary alcohol, R bond O bond easy to broken because of in tertiary alcohols more repulsions are there. In between alkyl group and oxygen, more repulsions are more easy to broken that bond. In the case of primary alcohol, less amount of repulsions are present. So that's why, so primary alcohols are less reactive in the case of Gruss process. This is the first important preparation method of alkyl halide, that means alkyl chloride from alcohol. So second preparation method. Now we will go to the second preparation method. Second preparation method, that is the D'Orgen's process. D'Orgen's method or D'Orgen's process. D'Orgen's method. So in this D'Orgen's method, so first we are taking general reaction. Alcohol react with SOCl2 in the presence of pyridine. In the presence of pyridine. Then we can get R bond Cl plus SO2 plus HCl. So here SO2 is a gas, HCl is also gas. This is the final reaction of D'Orgen's method. So for example, alcohol, instead of this R bond OH, suppose if we take ethyl alcohol, what is this name? Ethyl alcohol react with SOCl2. The name of SOCl2 is thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine. Then we can get, this is the alkyl part. This is the alkyl part, one chlorine atom. That means CH3, CH2 bond Cl plus SO2 plus HCl we can get. So this is the D'Orgen's method. The importance of D'Orgen's method is, this is the best method for the preparation of alkyl chlorides. Alkyl chlorides. This is the best method for the preparation of alkyl chlorides. So listen. So why we are called this is the best method? That means in this reaction, so this is the main product. Alkyl chloride is the main product. This is the main product. What are the byproducts? SO2 is the byproduct. HCl is the byproduct. SO2, it is formed as a gas. That means gas means it is easy to eliminate it from the R bond Cl. And also HCl is also gas. That's why it is easy to eliminate it from the main product. So finally we can get only R bond Cl only. That's why byproducts are gases. This is the best method. First important point. This is the best method. This is the best method. Reason, what is the reason? SO2 and HCl are gases. Okay, next one more important point for this one. So by using D'Orgen's method, we can prepare only alkyl chlorides only. We are not get alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide. Because reason. So here SO-Br2 and SO-I2 are unstable. So if you use D'Orgen's method, must and should we use SOCl2. If you want R bond Br, here we should take SO-Br2. If you want R bond I, we should take SO-I2. But in nature, SO-Br2 and SO-I2 are unstable because so bond length is more easy to broken that bond. SO-Br2, yes, double bond O, one Br. So here bromine sulfur bond length is more, bond length is more, easy to broken this bond. That's why in nature SOBr2 and SOI2 are unstable nature. So that's why in Darjan's method we can prepare only alkyl chlorides only. And also this is the best method. Because byproducts are gases. SO2 is one type of gas, easy to eliminate it from the main product. HCl is also one type of gas, easy to eliminate it from the main product. So this is the Darjan's method. So for easy to remember, so easy technique. So this is the R bond O bond H. So SOCl2, S double bond O, bond Cl, bond Cl. So alcohol react with SOCl to thionyl chloride. This is one part, this is one part, this is another part. We can get R bond Cl plus SO2 plus HCl. This is the easy technique, easy to remember this process, Darjan's process. So here pyridine structure, if we want, in that benzene, instead of one carbon, we are taking nitrogen, we can get the pyridine. Act as a catalyst. So this is the information about the only two reactions. What are those? Groves process and Darjan's method. In Groves process, once again recall that one. In that Groves process, what are the reactants? Alcohol react with concentrated HCl. In the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, we can get alkyl chloride plus H2O. So this is the mechanism. Generally this mechanism not asked in regular syllabus, but this mechanism is very useful for competitive track, so NEET and JEE. So next, so here Lucas reagent, very important. Lucas reagent, what is the combination? Concentrated HCl plus anhydrous ZnCl2. What is the nature of anhydrous ZnCl2? Lewis acid. Okay, and also act as a catalyst in this reaction. Next, reactivity of alcohol. So in this reaction we are used, one of the reactant is alcohol. Alcohols are different types of alcohols are there. Primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols are there. So tertiary alcohol is more reactive. Next, secondary alcohol is more reactive. Next, primary alcohol is more reactive. Reason, so in tertiary alcohol more repulsions are there. That's why easy to broken R bond, O bond. So that's why tertiary alcohols are more reactive. So next, second important preparation method is Darjan's method. So Darjan's is the scientist name. So general reaction. First we are taking alcohol, reactive with SOCl2. SOCl2 name is thionyl chloride in the presence of pyridine. Then we can get alkyl chloride plus SO2 gas plus HCl gas is liberated. So here, for example, ethyl alcohol, CH3CH2OH, ethyl alcohol plus thionyl chloride. What is the name of thionyl chloride? So SOCl2, pyridine, CH3CH2Cl. This is ethyl chloride. We can get the ethyl chloride plus SO2 plus HCl. Okay, here important point. This is the best method. Reason, here byproducts SO2 and HCl are gases, easy to eliminate it from the main product. We can get 100% purified alkyl chlorides. So that's why this is the best method. So next, so SOBr2 and SOI2 are unstable. So because reason, so bond length is more, that's why easy to broken, that's why instability nature will be there. That's why in Darjan's method we can prepare only for alkyl chlorides only. So this is the shortcut method for easy to remembering the reaction and products. Okay, thank you.